Hi guys, this is Architect Je. Nandito tayo sa may TM Calao Avenue sa harap ng Luneta Park or the Rizal Park. So nandito tayo sa harap ng Luneta Hotel. Ang Luneta Hotel ang nag-iisang example ng French Renaissance design architecture in Manila and the entire Philippines. It was designed by Spanish architect and engineer Salvador Faray and completed in 1919. So makikita natin yung dominant feature ng isang Renaissance design building. Meron siyang alternating pattern of design. So ma-observe nyo na merong combination ng arch pediment and the triangular pediments ng mga windows from level 1 to level 6. Ma-observe din natin na sa dominant feature ng French Renaissance yung details ng mga balusters, the balconies, and the mansard roofing. So, ma-observe din natin yung proportions ng design details sa kabuuang proportion ng building. So, it's a primary consideration